going to do an art project. We're going to plant some seeds for gardening. Here's some tools that we're going to use. We have a shovel, a water can, a container, our beans, and our potting soil. First, we're going to add potting soil to our container. Then we're going to add our beans. So let's count our beans as we plant those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 beans. So 10 is our number of the month. That's why I planted 10 beans in. Now we're going to add some more potting soil. Now we're going to cover the beans up. Now we're going to add water. This is the most important things, to add water for our seed can grow. Potting soil is very important too, and our beans. So we're going to wait a couple of days to see what our plant going to grow. Our beans going to turn into a plant. So what tools do we use? A shovel, water can, potting soil container, and our potting soil.